So, applying Canadian permanent residency through PNP program is a two steps process, right? So first you have to apply. You must apply to the province or territory, and then once that has been approved, you must submit your application to the federal government, and only the federal government can grant your Canadian PR. So how to apply for PR? How to apply for PR after getting PNP? So una, kailangan mong mag-apply sa province kung saan mo gustong tumira and be nominated. So, and then after ang province manominate ka na, kailangan mo na mag-submit sa federal government sa IRCC. So, and then IRCC na ang bahalang mag-check ng application mo based on the Canadian immigration rules. So, ibig sabihin, 3 beses ka mag-a-apply. Parang, kailangan mong andito ka sa Canada, meron ka ng LMIA na hawak. Kasi gaya ko, open restricted, open work permit ang hawak ko. Ano kasi to, merong PR. Supported with PR ang permit na hawak ko. Yung mga LMIA, merong ibang tiers na federal skilled workers na may supported with PR, but others po, merong yung pumasok dito na naka-LMIA, closed permit po kasi yun, wala po silang, hindi sila supported ng PR. So once manominate, kung mag-apply na sila ng PR, kailangan silang manominate sila ng province kung saan sila nagtatrabaho. So halimbawa yung nakilala ko na nasa Airdrie, LMIA, and then nominated by his boss. So ngayon nag-process siya ng PR niya. But then after ma-process ng PR, so na-approve na ang nomination, right? So pag ma-approve na ang nomination, isubmit na yan sa federal government, and then it's up to the IRCC na to check your qualifications based on the Canadian immigration rules. Kung if you pass all of those, so PR na siya. Makaka-receive na siya ng COPR, Confirmation of Permanent Residency. And then, I think yun lang, 3 beses ka nag-a-apply. Apply ka ng trabaho, and then second, kung i-nominate ka, kasi di ba naka-LMIA ka, close permit ang hawak mo. So, pag manominate ka para makapag-apply ka ng PR, so, i-applyan ka ng boss mo na i-nominate ka, and then third, mag-submit ka na sa IRCC. So, yun lang po.